Hey there guys, thanks for dropping in. We've got a bit of a simple class today. By request, we're doing a short video on how staking with zPIV works. It's fairly similar to regular staking, but a little bit different. After we get through the how-to, we'll go over the advantages of staking with zPIV over regular staking. Okay, so staking with zPIV is almost identical to staking with regular PIV. I was actually really surprised at that myself. When I was in the works, I was really worried about it requiring an overcomplicated process. But thankfully that wasn't the case. The process of actually staking it hasn't really changed at all. You do need to have some zPIV though, so let's recap how those are minted. Minting zPIV is really quite easy too, actually. You just open up your wallet, make sure it is all synced up, and then click the Privacy tab. Here's where we can mint our zPIV, but first we should unlock the wallet. Click up here, then here. Then enter in your password and hit enter, or click here. Now on the right, you can see your balance of different denominations of zPIV. Currently, you should have none unless you already minted some zPIV. If you simply want to mint a large number of PIV into zPIV, you can enter the amount here and click mint. There's a fee of 0.01 PIV for every denomination of zPIV you mint. If you mint like this, the system will mint the largest denomination it can and work its way down. This minimizes the fees you pay because it is not minting a lot of small denomination. It is pretty common for the wallet to freeze for a short time while minting zPIV. Don't worry about this, it just takes a bit of time to perform the action. If you have 500 PIV and you do not want a 500 PIV denomination, you could mint 5 100 PIV amounts and you'll get those 5 100 PIV denominations. You can even save yourself some time by minting 400 PIV, which will give you 4 100 PIV denominations because there's nothing bigger than 100 until you get to 500. Then you just mint 100 PIV once more to get that last denomination you are after. And if anyone needs any help with that or anything else we talked about in the process of minting zPIV, feel free to ask our support on Discord. They're a wonderful group of people and they're very helpful. That's all that's required to mint zPIV. Pretty easy. But what about staking? Well, that's actually identical to regular staking. The only difference is that a regular PIV you want to stake with needs to have 101 confirmations before it is eligible. A zPIV needs to have 200 confirmations from when it was minted. Aside from that, it's about the same. Since we had our wallet fully unlocked, I just click here, then click here to lock my wallet again. Then we click here and click here to unlock it. Make sure this checkbox is checked. It'll make it so that we are only unlocking the wallet for staking and anonymization. Then type our password and unlock. After a little while, you'll see this symbol turn green. That means you are staking. It works for both regular PIV and zPIV. That's it. There's not much to it, but we've got some time left. If you don't know why you should be zPIV staking, stick around and I'll give you a couple reasons. The first is that it pays you more. The reward for zPIV staking is 3 zPIV upon winning a block. The reward for regular PIV staking is only 2 PIV upon winning a block. Not using zPIV is kind of like leaving money on the table. The second reason to stake with zPIV is privacy. While staking regular PIV, your wallet is entirely visible. People can see you staking on the network. It's like if your savings account broadcasted every time you got paid some interest. It's kind of creepy. zPIV staking obscures that information. That way you can stake in peace. The last reason I have for you is that it helps out the network. For zPIV to be effective as a privacy tool, people everywhere need to have them. By staking with zPIV, you are adding to the number of zPIV in existence. This helps out everyone. So on behalf of everyone, thank you for helping us out. That's it for today, guys. A real quickie this time around. I hope you enjoyed the video and answered how to stake a zPIV. If it did, throw us a like and share the video. It really helps us out a lot when you do that. Thank you for tuning in. I love having you here, and I will see you in the next PIVX class.